Hello everyone, welcome back to C4 Cookbook. Today I'm sharing a super easy, healthy and delicious sweet laddu recipe, that is coconut sesame ladoo, otherwise known as coconut til laddu. This is a perfect homemade treat that everyone in the family will love. So let's quickly get into the video and check out the recipe. First I'm going to dry roast 1.5 cup of white sesame seeds. Now roast it on medium heat till you get nice light golden brown color. Now you can see the sesame seeds are nicely golden brown. At this stage, turn off the heat and transfer them to a plate. Now let it cool down completely. Next I'm going to roast 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Now roast it on low heat till it turns to a lovely golden color. Now you can see it has turned to a lovely golden color. At this stage, turn off the heat and transfer them to a plate. Let it cool down completely. Once cooled, transfer the roasted sesame seeds and desiccated coconut to a mixer jar. To this add seeds of 4 cardamom. Now grind it coarsely. Now you can see the ingredients have been ground to a nice coarse mixture. Next to this add 1 and 1/4 cup of grated jaggery. Now grind it. When the mixture starts binding together like this, it's ready. Now transfer the mixture to a mixing bowl. To this add little ghee and mix it well. After the ghee is mixed in, you can see the mixture binding well. Now take a little bit of the mixture that you can hold in your palm and just keep rolling it until you get a lovely round laddu. And that's it, our healthy and tasty sesame coconut laddu is ready. Perfect for tea time, kids snacks or festive occasions. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you soon with more easy and homely recipes. Till then, bye.